The entrance ticket at the Minerva Theatre in Mumbai is worth ₹250. When the price of the ticket was lowered, the sale of tickets increased by 50%, while the collections recorded a decrease of 17.5%. Find the deduction in ticket price. Alright? So basically, the price of the ticket is given to us. Then he says when the price was lowered, which means the price was decreased, the sale increased. Sale increased by how much? 50%. While the collections recorded a decrease of 17.5%. Now, first and foremost, we need to understand the relationship between the price, collections, and the sale. You getting it? I mean, if you understand this, collections here would be equal to what? Collections would be equal to the price into sales. Yes or no? Collections like revenue, right? The total revenue is price of each item multiplied by the number of items sold, right? So collections is equal to price into sales, right? Or collections is nothing but revenue, right? So revenue is equal to price into quantity. You know that, right? Now, in this, I mean, it's not revenue by collections again, revenue or collections. You can also call it as revenue. That's what I mean. So revenue equals to price into collections. Now, from this equation, it is very clear that the percentage effect on revenue or the change in revenue will be a effective change of price and sales. You getting it? Remember the effective percentage formula? Effective percentage is equal to what? A plus B plus AB by 100, which means when two percentage changes are given to you and you have to find out the effective of these two, you can use A plus B plus AB by 100. Now here, the effective, the overall effect of change in price and change in sales will be the effect on revenue. So basically, if you see, he says the price was lowered by 50%. So this decreased by 50%, right? The sale of ticket, the price was lowered. By how much it is not given? I'm sorry. The price of ticket was lowered. The sale of tickets increased by 50%. The sales increased by 50%, right? Sales increased by 50%. By what percentage the price was lowered is not known to us. It's still a question mark, but it was lowered. And because the price was lowered, sale increased by 50%, while the collections recorded a decrease of 17.5%. There was a decrease of 17.5% in the revenue. Now, going by the effective percentage formula, you can say that you know that decrease should always be taken with negative sign. So let us assume that the overall decrease is 17.5%. I mean, this is not an assumption; it is given there. So minus 17.5 equals to A plus B plus AB by 100. What is A? Let us assume this is equal to P percent, right? It has decreased by P percent. So I'll take A as minus P plus. The sales has increased, so take it as positive 50 plus minus P into 50 by 100. Are you able to follow? Because the collections have reduced, we have taken it with the negative sign. The price has also reduced, we have taken the change as minus P. Sales has increased, we have taken as plus 50. So apply the formula A plus B plus AB by 100. Now simplify this, you will get the value of P. Right? So what happens? This is like minus P by 2 and minus P. Minus 3P by 2. Minus 3P by 2 equals to minus 17.5 and minus 50 is minus 67.5. Or overall, if you can simplify this, this would be 135 by 3. So we can say, see, negative sign gets cancelled, right? So 135 by 3 is 45. So we can say the price has changed by 45%. Now what changed? Increased or decreased? Decreased. Price decreased by 45%. Hold on. Maybe 67.5, 120 and 135. 135 by, yeah. So the price is reduced by 45%. That's it. Now he's not asking us to find out the percentage change in the price. He's asking us to find out the deduction in ticket price, which means the actual value, absolute value. So how do you do that? Original price was 250. What's the deduction? 45%. So the deduction is equal to 45%, which you have calculated. 45% of what? 45% of 250. Now you know how to calculate 45%. 45% can be taken as 50% minus 5%. So 50% of 250 is 125 and 5% is 12.5. So 125 minus 12.5 is 112.5. So 112.5, option 2 would be the answer.